A new wave of startups is currently disrupting the technology sector. These businesses provide groundbreaking, brand new products that have never been seen before. Today, we'll examine 5 technological innovations that in one way or another can make your life better. So let's get started. Number 1. Hydrade. Hydrade is a solar-powered smart bottle. Sounds cool, right? The solar-powered part's not the only remarkable feature of it. It can track your water intake as well as suggest a recommended hydration level using the power that comes from the sun. And the best part of it, with every sip you take, you are also donating clean, potable water to charity. Smartphones exist solely because they serve our needs, whatever they may be. There's absolutely nothing wrong with using a gadget you constantly hold 24/7 to remind you to drink a glass of water. With its patented and state-of-the-art technology, the Hydrade is like an insulated water bottle and a smartphone. It can sync with smart devices with Bluetooth, including your phones, Fitbit, or even your Apple Watch. It takes note of your age, weight, gender, activity, as well as your geography since warmer places require more water to keep your body cool. Using this information will recommend your daily hydration level. As it tracks your water intake using a behavioral sensor, the Hydrade app that comes for free will remind you whenever you need a drink. The bottle automatically charges when exposed to the sun's powerful rays. Number 2. DUVOSS D1 Speaker. The DUVOSS D1 speaker pursues the concept of ultra-thin design, with a thickness of only 16.5 millimeters, redefining the thickness of ultra-thin outdoor speakers, but can deliver a shocking music experience. At the same time, the size of 16.5 millimeters is also thinner than similar speaker products. The use of aluminum alloy material allows users to enjoy both ultra-thin portable and anti-drop and waterproof outdoors. The appearance design of the DUVOSS speaker is similar to that of a mobile phone, and the dense speaker openings on the top make it easier for the sound to come out. The use of aluminum alloy material makes the product light in weight and more resistant to drop and corrosion. The overall style of the product adopts a tough line design, which is more suitable for outdoor use scenarios. There is a desktop bracket on the back of the speaker shell, which can easily set up the speaker on any plane for better sound output. DUVOSS D1 also comes with magnetic stickers. After installing the magnetic sticker on the back of the speaker can be placed vertically on the glass. In terms of waterproofing, DUVOSS D1 supports IP67 waterproofing, so it is not afraid of rain and dew when going out. Number 3. LapLok. Looking for a way to keep your laptop safe in public places? You're in luck because the new security gadget is the perfect answer to your problem, and it can even protect your bag or backpack too. Anyone who finds themselves working on the fly in coffee shops or other public places knows the fear of stepping away from your laptop only to have it stolen. Thankfully, TechLock Solutions offers a weld solution, the LapLok anti-theft system. LapLok keeps your device secured to surfaces like tables and countertops. This lets you step away for a moment without worrying that someone may attempt to swipe it and run. The LapLok uses an adhesive mounting arm that permanently attaches to your laptop. Firstly, the sight of it alone is enough to deter grab-and-go gadget grabbers. But the simple yet advanced locking system is easy to install in only 6 steps. Anyone afraid of a complex setup can rest assured it's perfectly convenient to put together and use. While it's unlikely anyone will want to bother with a laptop secured by the LapLok system, some may attempt to try their luck. Their attempts will be in vain though, because there's a 50 decibel alarm that's loud enough to stop thieves of opportunity in their tracks. Not only that, but there's a handy bag lock that will also keep your backpack or purse secure too. Number 4. Felx Tail Gear. Tiny PUMPX is the new generation of portable air pumps. It will provide you with more surprise with its ultra-mini design of air pump, vacuum pump, and lantern 3-in-1, and it is also the most portable but powerful pump in the world. It is as small as an egg but powerful. A built-in 1300 mAh lithium battery design can provide 3.5 kp pressure and 180 liters per minute flow for the small pump. It only takes 5 minutes to fill an outdoor air cushion. Equipped with 4 kinds of air nozzles, greatly improving the adaptability of the tiny pump. Extremely portable design allows you to use it on more occasions, such as camping, beach, pool party, family storage, etc. Use it to inflate outdoor air cushions, car air cushions, swimming rings, water float rows, and other inflatable toys, you will find it very practical. Simple operation, one key to start. Safety net design makes tiny bump more suitable for children. With such a small air pump, even a child's hand can be gently held. Let your babies participate in outdoor activities and exercise their hands-on skills. Just in case, it is recommended that children under the age of 12 use this air pump when accompanied by their parents. Tiny Pump X is only 89 grams and the size is as small as a key. It is suitable for most of the contexts in your life, and you can take it with you anywhere at any time. Number 5. Hydrade Body Razor. Meet the smoothest shave on earth. You might think that a safety razor looks like something your grandfather would use, but they're still around for good reasons. The single blade is more effective and sharper. You've never seen a razor quite like this before. The blade is set flush on your skin, leaving you with exactly what you want, a shave that's as smooth as silk. It takes time, it's a craft, but this is the only razor that'll be worth your time. The Hydrade body is made to protect you from ingrown hairs, irritation, and discomfort. You don't need to touch the blades ever. You can use the intuitive blade magazine to easily and quickly slide a new blade in, simultaneously pushing the old one out. Hydrade Buddy is made with a sleek and seamless design that allows for quick cleaning with the effortless removal of its heads. Easily clean through the areas between the body and razor, keeping it free from bacterial growth that is common with cartridge razors. It ends the video for today. To see more videos like this one, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.